I first was diagnosed in 1988 with a T8-9 fracture from a sleigh riding accident that occurred here in the Washington metropolitan area. That T8-9 fracture, a piece of that fracture went into my spinal cord and created what they call an incomplete paraplegia, also known as Brown-Séquard syndrome. So for many years, I was suffering with the residual effects of having Brown-Séquard syndrome, which is the lack of motory on the left side of my lower extremities and a lack of sensory on the right side. There's some paresthesia involved and some pins and needles and, of course, a lot of back pain. So in dealing with it, I basically dealt with it on my own for many years until I had the pleasure of meeting Pete Evans of Natural Horizon Wellness Center. He came into my office. I have a business that he frequents, and he took a look at me and said, you know, there's something I think we can do to help you, Bob. At Natural Horizons, we have some laser therapy programs. We have a chiropractor, Dr. Verma, and I'd like to bring you in and try you out on it and see how we could, how Natural Horizons Wellness Center can help you out with that. When I originally had this T8-9 fracture in 1988, obviously they told me I'd never walk again, and I became persistent in becoming with God and myself at that time to learn to be able to walk again. And however, my walking was not exactly, you know, I had to walk at the first with the lost strand crutches and then with a cane, and I've walked with a cane since 1988. When I came to Natural Horizon Wellness Center, I was able to work through the pain and then regain a lot of mobility because the less back pain that I had from the inability to walk correctly enabled me to walk a little better, enjoy the less pain from the original accident, and then of course thereafter the L3 and L4 bulging of the disc that was caused from the improper gait that I had from walking. The quality of life that Natural Horizon Wellness Center has brought to me through laser therapy, chiropractic, and acupuncture has greatly improved the way that I can walk, how I feel. I've always been a pretty much the glass is always half full type person. Well, the glass is getting fuller and fuller as I'm here beginning my therapy through Natural Horizon Wellness Center.